Imagine starting with just $500 and turning it into $25,000 in the crypto market. And yes, this is a real story. No lottery, no insider secrets, just strategy, discipline, and patience. Most people think crypto success is luck, but the truth is, luck has very little to do with it. This story proves that even small money can grow into life-changing wealth if you follow the right process. I didn't start rich. I didn't have connections. I started with $500 and a decision to take my finances seriously. The first thing that changed everything was mindset. I stopped chasing quick wins and started thinking long-term. Instead of gambling, I focused on learning how money actually grows. Crypto rewards patience, not panic. People who rush usually lose. People who stay disciplined usually win. The next step was research. Before buying any coin, I learned what the project actually does. I studied trends, market cycles, and real-world use cases. I avoided hype coins. I ignored social media noise. And I only invested in projects that made sense long-term. With just $500, every decision mattered. I didn't go all in on one trade. I spread my risk and protected my capital. Some trades worked, some didn't, but every mistake taught me something valuable. Instead of quitting after losses, I adjusted my strategy. I learned when to enter, I learned when to exit, and most importantly, I learned when to wait. As profits came in, I didn't spend them. I reinvested everything. That's how $500 slowly became $2,000, then $5,000, then $10,000, then $10,000. Compounding did the heavy lifting, not hype, not luck. Emotions are the biggest enemy in crypto. Fear makes people sell too early. Greed makes people hold too long. Staying calm is a skill, and it's a skill that can turn small money into big money. I used simple rules. Never invest what I couldn't afford to lose. Always use stop losses, and never chase pumps. Over time, confidence replaced fear, strategy replaced guessing, and consistency replaced luck. That's how the account grew to $25,000. Not overnight, not magically, but step by step. This isn't about getting rich fast. It's about getting smart first. Because smart money grows faster and lasts longer. If you're starting with a small amount, don't feel discouraged. Small money is powerful when used correctly. The skill matters more than the size of your account. Crypto is risky, but ignorance is riskier. Education reduces risk. Discipline multiplies gains. This story isn't unique. It's repeatable. If you learn, stay patient, and stay consistent. If you want more real money stories, side hustles, and investing strategies, subscribe to Dollars and Cents, where your money starts making sense.